Chapter 17. The Work We Do, Learning Objectives. Different types of occupations. Farming and rearing of animals. Working in forests and mining. Making goods in factories.
Let's begin.
In towns and cities, lives unfold. Occupations are stories told. Builders raise structures so tall. Teachers enlighten. Minds enthrall. Doctors heal with tender care. Farmers sow. Fields they bear. Artists craft with hues so bright. Drivers journey day and night. Chefs create culinary delight. Scientists seek truths in the light. We all need a house to live in, clothes to wear, and food to eat. We need money for all these things. Have you ever thought where this money comes from? It comes from the work people do. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Occupation of the people depends on their need, ability, and the area they live in. In our country, the main occupation of the people in villages is farming and rearing animals. People living near the seas find fishing as the most important occupation. Apart from these, there are many other means of occupation that people take up to earn money in our country. Let us read about some of these occupations. Farming. Farming is the activity of growing crops in fields. A majority of people in our country live in villages. The main occupation of these people is farming. They are called farmers. They grow different types of crops such as food grains, pulses, oil seeds, sugar cane, tea, coffee, cotton, jute, fruits, vegetables, etc. The farmers work hard to grow crops in their fields. They need modern farming implements, good quality seeds, sufficient water for irrigation, proper supply of manure, fertilizers and pesticides for growing crops. The government has set up many agencies in our country to help and educate the farmers to get a good field. Fact-free, India is known as an agricultural economy. Rearing animals. Apart from farming, some farmers rear animals for different purposes. The animals commonly reared are cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, bullocks, horses, hens, ducks, geese, fish and honeybees. Let us study how different animals are reared by the farmers. Dairy farming. The rearing of animals for getting milk is called dairy farming. Cows, buffaloes, goats, and camels are reared for milk. Goats are also reared to get meat. Bullocks are used to plow fields and draw carts. Farmers also rear sheep and camel to get wool. Poultry farming. Poultry farming involves rearing of hens, ducks and geese for their meat and eggs. People learned how to raise poultry thousands of years ago. Today, poultry farming is one of the largest occupations in our country. Fishing. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living in coastal areas. India is the third largest producer of fish. Fish farming provides employment to thousands of people. Some farmers rear fish in big ponds. It is called fish farming or pisciculture. Apiculture. Some farmers rear honeybees to get honey. It is called apiculture. The place where bees are kept is called an apiary. Working in forest. There are thick forests in some parts of our country. Many people work in these forests to get useful items like fuel, wood, gum, honey, herbs, lac, rubber, etc. Mining. Coal, petroleum, mica, iron, aluminium, manganese, are some important minerals found in our country. Mining is the process of digging out these useful minerals from deep inside the earth's surface. Mining is an important occupation of people in the parts of our country where many deposits of minerals are found. Some other occupations. Many workers and laborers work in factories. They use raw materials to make useful goods. The goods made in factories need to reach the people. These are transported to shops in different areas. The people who take up the occupation of transporting various kinds of goods to other places are called transporters. The people who buy finished goods in bulk and sell to the people in the market are called shopkeepers. Some people specialize in their jobs, like doctors, engineers, architects, teachers, nurses, etc. They sell their specialized services to earn money. Think up, what do you think will happen if everyone stopped working? Recall, the work done to earn money is called an occupation. People take up occupations according to their needs, interest, and ability. Farming is an activity of growing crops in fields by the farmers. The rearing of cattle for getting milk or using them for farming is called dairy farming. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Many people work in forests to get useful items. Mining is the process of digging useful minerals from deep within the earth's surface. Shopkeepers sell goods